Sunday. You know what that means? That means we can fly offices. So we're going around to PDEVX's favorite spots. We gonna shred. We're gonna be flying that Dominator goggle today.
I know this spot, and I'm really excited. We're here actually because James PDEVX has a bunch of killer videos from here. It's cool to be in the location of PDEVX.
I mean, no spot is owned by any pilot.
It's owned by PDEVX. He did the best flight video.
This is the FPV community spot. As long as you treat it with respect, you know, anyone's allowed.
Could I have your blessing to fly this spot?
Can I have your blessing too, please?
I wouldn't feel comfortable flying this spot without your permission.
So the motors on this rotor riot solderless build that I'm running today are 2400 kV. They're for 4S batteries, but I mostly have 6S batteries. So here's the solution. 6S battery, plugged into charger, charging 4S battery. It works. Remember we went to Bando Island, and on the way back from Bando Island we got the boat stuck on a sandbar and we effed up the propeller on the boat.
Oh yeah.
And Sean had to use a Leatherman to straighten out the propeller.
Yeah.
And because it was salt water, the Leatherman got all rusty.
Yeah.
Well, it turns out that Leathermans have like a lifetime warranty, and if you send it back to them, they will refresh it and make it like new.
Nice.
And that's this Leatherman.
So this is the Bando Island.
And I thought of it because I would not be able to get the scissor out because it was rusted solid.
Right, and now you can.
And now I
can. Use it.
And you can use it.
So we're good with the story, and I can use this now?
Yeah. How many companies out there stand behind their product like that? You think Rotor Riot's going to do that?
Yes.
Hypetrain blasters.
Literally, yes.
Damn.
Gross water too. Oh, it's so gross water. Look at all this green goop. What? You don't want to see all that green stuff. That's either like emulsified goose poop or it's natural vegetation. I'm gonna hope for the latter. So it may seem counterproductive to pour more water on it, but this green stuff definitely could be bad for electronics. So it's better to wash this stuff off. The important bits look pretty clean, so I'm just gonna set it out in the sun. It's like in the dish rack, right? You want it vertical.
Bubby, how many working quads do you have right now?
Right now I have 2, which
Really?
is pretty good for me.
How many did you have this morning?
0. Go subscribe to Joshua Bardwell. There'll be a link right there. You don't like that either?
No, I don't hate YouTube plugs. I don't hate them.
What do you hate?
What do you hate?
The first thing you have to do is you have to deliver for the audience. Okay, so like if you go into a restaurant and the first thing they do is they say,
Hey guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. I need you to stop everything you're doing, go down and hit the subscribe button and the like button.
after you've delivered a payoff and they are loving you in that exact moment, as quick as possible, you get your CTA out of the way and then you give them the next thing.
Can we just like put this clip at the end of the episode?
This